What is going on, everyone? We are here once again with the man himself, Yeti, and we got some pretty insane hardware to show for you guys. It's pretty crazy, but let's do a quick roll call here, see what all we got in the house. I think Panda's live right now, so we'll might have to wait a few minutes till his ends. I'm not sure what he has going on there.
Oh, I'm sure that as soon as Panda realizes what we're doing, he'll be over to come see.
Alrighty here. So yeah, I've been sending him some DMs, see if he want to join, but we'll see if he answers. But here we got Squirrel Masters in the house, The Pirate. Oh, Budweiser. Seems he made it to another one. That's awesome. What is this? Tolapak Lab. Squirrel Masters. Scrolling. Bits, please, YT. This is going to be good. If you need an address to test with, I got you. Test addresses are coming already. What do you got here? Oh, one and only. Where's my button?
Nuclear power plant, Red Tuts.
Is in the house. Welcome. What do we got here? Will Ablap 6778. What is this? Douglas Hayen, first time, 1392. Dan Balmer, what is happening? Squirrel Masters, Jock McMiner. Yeti's in the house here. What do we got? Yeti here. I thought I would come and see what this B300 noise was all about. Oh man, just jumped on me. We got a Crazy Seeker here, Toxic Miner. What is happening? Swamp 7, All Track is here. Gaming with Smoking Dan is in the house. Was holding us hostage, but we freed out. What are you talking about? Oh, Panda was. Oh, is Panda done now? Is Panda showing up? Panda, where are you? Someone just joined up the Wolf Pack here. Thank you very much. We got B300 Thank you for becoming a member here. We got Snark's Domain. I'm here for a bit, but can't stay long. Gotta sleep. Oh, it's one of those days. You been busy at work there, Snark? It's pretty, yeah, you must have been had an all-nighter or something, huh? Crazy Ninjas here. What is happening, Crazy Ninjas? So, yeah, crazy stuff going on. Bleach, what is happening? Northern Crypto and Tech is here. People are looks like they're slowly coming in. So guys, make sure you smash that like button because we got some insane hardware here. It sounds like Yeti has XM Rig, 1.0 miner, and BZ miner ready to go. So Yeti, tell us kind of what we got going on right now. What kind of hardware did you get your hands on for this?
So you asked, well, I mean, I asked you this morning what you wanted to go test, and you'd already made the thumbnail. So, I mean, you kind of said it straight away what we were testing. So, yeah, 8 times B300s. So, 275 gig of HBM3E. So, it's like the fastest out there at the moment.
Yeah, we got the top high-end freaking AI Nvidia GPUs on the market. That's insane. Like, how much are these things? $55,000 each or something?
50? I mean, the B300s are pretty expensive.
Yeah, they're
anywhere, depending on if you got in really early on the pre-orders, you were getting them at around 60 grand. I know a few places where you can get them a little cheaper now. They've been out a few months now, but they usually come down fairly quickly after a couple of months. The most expensive ones that I bought personally were the B200s when they first came out. I was on the pre-order list.
Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah, they were expensive.
Yeah, that's $60,000, and then they come down a little bit. They come on sale. They're on sale for $50,000, guys. Nothing. You hear $10,000 off, you're like, oh wow, and it's still like 50 grand.
I mean, to be fair, it is tax season. I earned quite a decent amount in 2025, so I needed to lose some tax.
Jock McMiner says here, $60K for a GPU. Why not use FPGAs for AI? Yeti?
Mainly because the amount of RAM, like when you cluster these together, so you can actually cluster an entire rack together. I showed you a rough spec of a cluster this morning, Rabid. Right?
Yeah,
like absolutely crazy out, like specs wise. The whole rack would be using probably close to a megawatt of power for everything, which is crazy levels, right? But
one rack of megawatt,
like ginormous large language models that you need.
That's insane. You think, oh, I got a megawatt facility. You're running a lot of Bitcoin miners off that. Here, one rack megawatt.
Yep. And then now Nvidia has their new rack interconnect system that basically every server can be connected directly like it was over NVLink using fiber optic, and it acts as if it's one one ginormous rig at that point. You use a fabric layer to connect them all as one GPU.
This is a funny one right here. We have Doom Boots there says, sell your house, buy a rack. Well, I don't know about you, but my house isn't worth $4 million. Like, who has a $4 million house to sell to buy one of these racks? Like, they're expensive.
Yeah.
That's kind of what we talked about yesterday. You said what? A rack was what, 4 million with 72 of these GPUs?
It's all the extra bits, right? All the networking that you need to connect each server together. Mm-hmm. It's one thing buying out a server, which is probably, 300, 400,000 per server, but it's the interconnects. Fiber optic interconnects are very expensive still at the moment. It's fairly new technology. Before, they used to just use DAC cables, direct attached connections, basically.
All right. Dr. Miner here says, all it's doing is making NVIDIA richer. Corner the market, no alternatives. Well, that's true, but nobody is making anything close to these, though.
I mean, AMD does have their own equivalent setups, but they're quite far behind NVIDIA in the terms of large-scale data center cards.
AMD is AMD is for CPUs, NVIDIA is for the GPUs.
Yeah.
Put the two together, you got the best.
Actually, speaking of CPUs,
what's going down?
You saw how much cache the server has as well.
Yeah. So this is pretty crazy. Let's bring that up. Let's bring up the spec here. Where is that thing we had? Right here. So here's the GPUs. Just looking at their memory and stuff, you guys can kind of see here. What is that? Do we have it? Is it showing it there?
So so each one is 275 gig of VRAM, and then if I do LS CPU, this is the bit that you was interested in when you saw it.
Yeah, look at that. See the L3 cache on the CPU? 3.8 gigabytes of L3. 3.8 gigabytes. Like, this is a 64 core, 120 thread CPU. It's a dual. So it's 240. We only need like 580 megabytes of L3 for Monero. This has freaking 3.8 gigabytes.
Yeah.
That's a lot of L3 cache in the CPU we got here. That is insane. So what is the name of this CPU actually? Which one is this?
So this is the 9575F.
Yeah, 9575F 64 core processor, a dual. So wow. Yeah. That is a CPU. I don't know if it can run Crysis though. That's
you'd have to put some emulation software into running that for a consumer grade GPU, but you probably could. You'd have to do some, magic to get it working though.
Dr. Wagner wants to know only one NUMA node. How many NUMA nodes do I have? One?
Yeah.
One NUMA node.
So these are all, what this runs in is effectively Dockers. So this is the same way as anyone who's renting my equipment would be able to deploy it using.
Crazy. Crazy. That's insane. That's insane. All right, guys, smash that like button. I just see is Panda done? I just want to check YouTube here for a sec.
So I mean, as soon as I've put the different miners on there already, Rabid, which one do you want to start with?
I don't know. What do you guys want to start with? What do you guys want to see first? You want to test out the CPU or the GPUs? What do you guys want? What do you guys want to try first? This freaking insane 5.8 gigabyte L3 cache or these crazy GPUs? Exabar, CPU. Oh, people are starting with Exabar, it looks like. So do we need a wallet address or what's going on here?
I guess I just need the right. Do I need to tweak any of these settings, Rabid? You're more the
for the most part, all that should be good, I think.
Okay.
We'll
You
just
want to
need that.
enable CUDA?
What's that?
Can we enable CUDA? I don't think we can we?
Well, if it supports it, you might be able to. But usually, when you enable CUDA, that's to enable a GPU on XMRig, so you can try. That'd be interesting. We could test actually those GPUs on Monero.
That would be overkill.
Well, we can still try it. So that's an option actually with the CUDA.
So which
we need
pool are we going on?
What pool should we figure out here, guys? Let's figure out a pool. We'll need someone's Monero address. If someone in the live chat wants to throw out down their Monero address, we'll use it. Panda, there's Panda. You gonna come join the stream, Panda? Panda says use his address. Oh, someone already posted their Monero address. His Monero address is being posted. They're all ready with it.
So which one do you want me to use, Rabid?
Just checking here. Oh, for pool, I'm looking for pools here. Support XMR has way too much hash rate on it already. We got Cryptex there. Monero Ocean would be in. No, okay, that's a different thing. Let's go with. I guess we can go with Hash Vault. You know, it's sitting in 8th place right now.
Hash Vault. Okay. So I just got to get all the details to get started. Here we go. XMRig. Here we go. So there's the URL. And then whose wallet are we using?
I don't know. Here we go. Who's what? Is there a random picker that we have for? I don't know if YouTube.
Have you seen Panda's already spamming his wallet?
The chat. There's a bunch of wallets here. I don't know. Who should we use? Oh, we got a lot of wallets there. I don't know who we should use. Everyone's just spamming. Oh man. Let's go with Bits Please here. 44V, that one.
Yep, I got it.
Okay, let's try that one.
There we go. And then that's it, right? There shouldn't be anything else that I need to do.
That should be all she wrote for that. All right, here we go. Holy crap.
Just 122 dim slots.
122 dim slots. Wow, look at this thing go. 240, 100%. Yeah, we got all the jits and everything. And it goes. So let's which CPU is this called again?
The 70. It was the 70 something.
Does it say up there?
There it is. 9575F.
The 9575F 64 core. This is a dual, and it has 5.8 gigabytes of L3. Absolutely insane. 5.8 gigabytes of L3 cache. We only need 580 for this of megabytes, and this is 3.8 gigabytes of L3. So we gotta wait a few minutes. Let's see if we can. Oh, where's this? I'm gonna jump onto now. Or what do we see here? We're on Hash Vault.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna jump onto this. Well, while we wait for that to do its thing, let's see if we are detected. I'm just gonna come up to here, share my screen. All right, let's see. I'm gonna grab that address. There's Bits Please here, right there. Copy.
Is that 104 kilohash? Is that, or is that 104 kilohash?
Oh, Tactical Squad just showed up.
No.
Hello.
Hey. Yeah. You see how much? 100 and what kilohash?
So this was it just starting up.
Okay.
104,316 hashes a second.
There you go. So we can see it here slowly starting to ramp up. Right there. Let's go back to your screen. There we go. 103. 103 kilohash. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. I feel like we should be getting more maybe. 104 is the peak. 104 kilohash. That's pretty good. I think, what's my dual?
Don't forget, it might be because it's inside of a Docker container as well. We might be getting punished on the CPU.
Oh, possibly. Yeah. So
don't forget, CPU doesn't get translated quite the same as a GPU when you're doing it inside of a Docker.
Okay. So yeah, the dual 7742
I mean, that's still pretty impressive.
Is 95. Yeah, that thing's doing 104.
I would not like to see what the electric rate's looking like at the minute.
Oh yeah, I
Well, I
wonder
mean, at
what
one
the
cent, it doesn't
power on
really
that thing
matter.
is.
So, I mean, at that point, it's not too bad.
103 kilohash. Not too shabby. Not too shabby.
So this
I
was
wonder. What's that?
this is a 64 core CPU.
Yep.
It's 64, but it's a dual.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, it's getting absolutely wrecked. Then you should be getting a lot more than that.
Yeah, and it's also like, well, we only need 2 megabytes per thread for L3, but this thing has 5.8 gigabytes of L3.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's insane. Like, I don't know what can we test that L3 on? Like, what requires a lot of L3 right now?
Zealous, I suppose, would be another option.
Oh yeah, we could
Zealous
try Zealous.
V3 is supposed to take advantage of
That's right.
L3,
Zealous would
right?
be good. Zealous would be a good test. RTM, yeah. RTM would be too hard though, because you got to have it for 24 hours to get the average. All right, so while we wait here, who's gonna post the Zealous wallet address? Is that already is? Oh, someone already has it. Alltrack89. So there, we have a Zealous wallet address. He was already looking.
Okay, let's shut this down then for the
All
minute.
right, so we're looking about 104 kilohash on XMR.
Right, so 104 for the moment. So you want to do CPU for Zealous? Or
Yeah, we'll start with the CPU for
which
Zealous.
CPU miner supports Zealous?
Let's have a peek here.
You have
I know
a
obviously 10 supports it for GPUs.
SRB will do CPU, I believe, and Who Miner. They have a Who
Oh yeah,
CPU.
who miner. So yeah, I guess those two. So I guess go with SRB.
Hang on, let's have a look, see if it actually does cover. Yeah, on CPU as well. So it looks like it's okay. Yep. Okay. So I guess guided setup, right?
Yeah, I'm not really haven't ran through that before, so let's see what this does. We'll do it both ways. We'll start. So that same miner will run GPU and CPU.
No, I don't think SRB has GPU
I
support.
guess so. Which pool do we want to do Zealous on?
Oh yeah, I guess we better look at a pool. Let's look at some pools here for Zealous. What all do we got for options on Zealous? Viper.
Yeah. Okie doke.
Viper.
Let's do this then. Right, what do I need to do? This is based in Finland, so let's do that one, and then I need to copy.
We got Viper there.
So Stratum. There we go. Wallet address. Whose wallet are we using then?
We'll use all tracks. He is first to the thing there. So
Where is it? All tracks. There it is. Yep. Do I need to enable login? I don't think so.
login? I
No.
don't think so.
Start Zealous.
All right, I'll put in the HG. Which one? HG.
This will be interesting.
All right, here we go. Zealous hash booting up. Now, which mine are we on right now?
So this is SRB miner.
Okay, and SRB supports GPUs as well.
It does, yeah.
Okay,
But only,
so
only for certain networks. Zealous
but I mean
V3
for
is
Zealous,
CPU
does it-
only.
oh,
No,
No,
I
the
think-
only one that I know that does off the top of my head is probably 10 miner that I know that works with the B series.
okay.
Only because I bugged the dev to politely activate B series cards for me.
All right, let's see what this does. We get some hash here. I'll refresh.
I mean, it's getting a lot of shares.
Yeah, it's definitely finding shares. not detected at the pool yet. Yeah, TNN miner is another one.
That's right.
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting about TNN miner.
I think a lot of people do, but yes, TNN is an option. Well, it's because he showed up later on in the scene. He's trying to tweak, so he's still trying to get his name out there more.
Sure.
But yeah, TNN is a good option for things. We have still no hash rate yet, huh? Come on. Oh, there we go. 129 kilohash right now. Now what's a normal? I can't remember what Zealous waste of mining power if it Viper takes a few seconds to show stats. So 129. What does okay? I gotta find out what CPUs do. I can't remember.
I
The
have
latest
no clue.
V3.
It's like first time I've tried it.
So I've got
Zealous
some
V3.
numbers here.
You got some numbers? Okay.
Yeah. So let's see. 7950X last I checked was doing like 21 kilohash.
21. Holy crap.
And let's see, a dual 7B12 or 7742, same difference, was 77 kilohash.
Wow, 129.
Well, so we're about 70-80% more than a dual 7742. Not quite double, but it's up there.
Considering it being Dockerized and whatever performance
Yeah.
losses are there, yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah, you're probably losing 25-30% of raw performance by it being inside of a Docker, I would say.
Oh yeah, they're saying a 170HX is 30.
Yeah. The 170HX is basically dominating again.
Yeah, well, unless
I mean,
you have
if
a
you want,
fleet of these.
we can stop the 170HX domination because we'll just put these on them.
Okay, now let's try this. Let's fire.
You want to fire it up on a GPU, don't you?
Yeah, turn all 8 of those bad boys
Okay.
on Zealous. Let's unload. Let's see what this does. Oh, this is gonna be insane. Now, what miner do we need for GPUs for Zealous?
So, do we want to go for a different wallet or?
All right, yeah, let's try someone else's wallet for this. We got let everyone have a smile on their face. Panda says, "Thank God I have all 170HX. Get wrecked." All right, let's see what other wallet addresses we have here for Zealous. I see Crossbow Mining right here.
So, whose are we picking?
Crossbow Mining. We'll try his.
Okay, perfect. There we go. This should be interesting.
All right,
I don't even know if it'll be able to even run this, but we'll give it a try.
Well, I guess we'll see what happens. Oh man! And how much power do one of these GPUs
above
use?
80 gig of RAM.
Yeah, are these the 1400 watt GPUs?
Okay, what's
what's going on?
What? Hang on a second. That's me. Okay, so I need to go to. Oh, that's why. That's why I put the wrong one in. I put a non-SSL one in. So 5177 is the SSL.
Yeah, he's fast at this. Here we go.
Okay.
Here we
that's
go.
Ridiculous.
Here we go, guys.
That's
We're
actually
off.
ridiculous.
Okay, we just broke the network.
Are we taking bets on how high this is going to be? If the 170HX is 30,
I don't know. Like, are we even gonna have time to see the hash rate?
How many GPUs are in there?
8.
86.
That's nearly 100 per card, by the way.
I missed it. It went by so fast.
It was 90 something on first spool up.
I missed the hash rate. It just shot by.
It's so quick.
So I haven't run this in a while, but last I checked with 10, a 5090 was doing like 35 kilohash. I'm sorry, 5090. 5090.
Holy crap.
Oh, there we are. There we are. There we are. There
There's
we are.
one.
There we
Let's
go.
pause it. What do we got
I'm
here?
having to hold it so that it doesn't just keep sprawling. Look at the power consumption, though.
Yeah,
How
that
much power are we
efficiency.
using? 731 watts per card. 757.
Now that's how
Oh,
you use some
wow.
cards.
What we got? We got around 80 to 88, 89, 711 kilohash.
That is crazy.
711. That's insane. Wow. Like, where? Okay, I gotta slap
Should have
that
probably
address.
actually we probably should have put this on solo mining.
Yeah, should have done that.
We
Actually,
probably should have put this on solo mining.
HT pool. Just gotta see, are we getting detected here yet? I got 60 kilohash here. It's just detecting SRB miner right now.
Did you switch over the wallet address?
Oh yeah, crap! I didn't put the new one in. Oh wait, or did I? I gotta check. I think I have it copied. Crossbows L5C. See, I want to kick in and look at the profitability. Pool 5C. Oh, it's not here yet. Okay. I'm waiting. I don't have data yet.
Yeah, so roughly 80, say average it about 87 kilohash per card.
That is insane. That's like almost three 170s.
Yeah.
But three
I don't even
170s
think
would be a lot
Zealous is
cheaper.
like the most refined for V3's 1.0 miner. I don't think is the most refined yet for Zealous. I think there's actually other miners that might actually perform better, but I don't know if they've got B300 support. That's the problem.
Yeah, I don't know either. I have no idea.
Rigel would be the one that would be really interesting, but I know that his doesn't support B300 just yet.
Mm-hmm. That's crazy.
what I was going to ask.
So what do we got here? Zealous B3, both CPU and GPU. So this rig would get 1 mega hash combined. Yes, this would be a 1 mega hash rig.
Yeah. That's
1 mega hash on Zealous.
It sounds obscene when you say it like that.
Oh man, a 1 mega hash rig. Let's just compare that. Let's say I'm gonna go 1 mega hash. 1,000 hashes. Well, I'll do it in kilohash. 1 mega hash. Okay, and what was in the 170s are 30 kilohash?
Yeah, 30.
No.
30,000. So 33 170s.
Wow.
I know people who signed the position. Canada. Yeah, I don't know that. Yeah, there's a big thing going on in Alberta with that whole succession thing.
The other algorithm that I think would probably do really well on these, more than likely, is fish hash. Because it's
Ironfish
and
Yeah.
memory bound. GPU core and memory. Sorry. With fish
we
hash.
could try. Yeah, we could try some fish hash.
And
Nvidia.
yeah, I know Ergo will be amazing on these.
Which one? Ergo? Oh yeah,
Yeah.
Ergo. Oh yeah, let's try some Ergo.
I mean, I know what the B200 does on Ergo for 8 of them is just over a gigahash.
Oh, they want to see some Kapow also, so we could try Kwai.
Oh, you just want me to burn up my cards. That's what it is. Just make them howl in pain.
Rolling
don't wanna
blackout.
do
Yeah,
that.
they're all water cooled, so it's not a problem.
Oh, they're all water cooled?
Yep.
Oh wow.
So
Ergo needs our help again. All right, what should we start with? Ergo or Kwai? What do you guys want first?
Ergo? Which miner is the best for Ergo?
I haven't mined Ergo forever.
That's a good question.
Ugh.
I'm pretty sure BZ Miner supports it. Let's have a look. Yep. There we go. Okay, so we doing Ergo then next. Okay. Let's just go and find a pool. Any particular pool you guys would prefer?
Gotta find ergo pools here. What do we got here for ergo? We got 2 miners, hero miners, Wooly Pooly, Nano Pool, Cryptex, K1. I guess 2 miners or hero miners would be the easiest to get up and going, so you don't have to make accounts or anything.
Which one?
Either 2 miners or hero miners, either one.
Solo or non-solo? I think there's a lot on there though. Sigmanauts is obviously in Finland as well, which is where my server is. So I mean, but then I know 2 miners also has, I believe Finland. So which would you prefer for ergo then? 2 miners?
Oh, we got right here.
And then I just need a wallet address. So whose
I can
wallet
make
address
a
are we
quick
using?
beta. I hate it that they changed the what's it called? They changed the YouTube name, so everything's all messed. But idea doc there said he could make a quick miner beta.
Oh, I mean, if he wants to have a go, I'm up for that.
Yeah, he said, what did he say? Didn't realize SM103 was an architect until today.
So, oh, hang on a minute. It might help if I put that right. That's
I don't know, like, what does he need? Does he need something for to make? I don't know where to develop a beta for this. I don't know what he needs.
No, I'm guessing he just
the
has to.
ID of the card so that it can actually understand to fire it up.
Oh, okay.
Right. So, okay. So, which wallet? Whose wallet are we using, Rabid?
We're on Ergo. Did
Yeah.
anyone post an Ergo wallet
I think
yet?
Squirrel Masters did.
Did he? Okay, let's find it. Squirrel Master. Okay, right there. 9FO. Is that Ergo? Use that one.
Oh, IE Doc's actually sitting in the channel right now. I see. Yeah, we were having a chat about this earlier, funnily enough.
Okay.
Oh. Why is that?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, and send him the invite to the stream if he wants to come on.
There we go.
If you got him in the chat, so you could send him the same invite link to the stream.
Yeah, I can send him the invite link. Hang on 1 second. I have no idea, and even if Doc's got a microphone hooked up, but we'll try.
I don't know. As if he wants, like if he doesn't, anything, it don't matter. But
no, looks like it can't read the argument count. Oh, hang on a minute. Is it because it's got that in it?
Oh, I had an extra. Yeah, I had an extra.
Yeah, it might be that
there.
it's picking up the extra space as an extra argument.
Rabid, where are you? I'm right here.
Nope. Okay, hang on a second. Oh, I've got this right.
Here I am. Hi. What do we got here? We got 104 viewers, 35 likes. Come on, guys. Smash that like button. We're playing with $500,000 of equipment here.
That. Do I need to put... oh, hang on a minute. B300. I wonder if it needs a worker name. I wonder if it needed a worker name.
We got $500,000 worth of equipment here and about $10,000 worth of power to burn.
Yep.
Yeah, no kidding.
Oh, man. He said don't
power
add the
bill comes
wallet.
out of my profits anyway. Nope. Still having a problem with argument count.
Huh.
Oh.
Need some tweaks. Hawkins in the house said, yes, Yeti Crypto has a beard.
Yeah. Yeah, I've gone full Yeti for the winter.
All right, 1 sec. He's gonna work on something.
Yep.
Like we got a miner dev on hand.
I know, right? This always makes me laugh how many miner devs get interested when they get a chance to play around with really expensive cards.
Oh, I bet.
I mean, me and the 1.0 miner dev have had some good fun with the H200 when they first came out. Because I couldn't get it to go past 40 gig of VRAM, even though it had 80. For some reason, he never thought that he would be using GPUs with more than 40 gig of RAM.
Wow. That and how much did these ones have? They're 174 or something?
175.
175 gigabytes.
Hang on, no. I think it's even more. No, sorry. I think it's 275. Hang on. Nvidia.
200. What?
Yeah, 275 gig.
Holy jeez.
Yeah.
Wow. 275 gig of RAM. Sure. Why not?
Oh, hang on a minute. I think he's. Okay. So no. There we go.
Oh, what do we got going on here?
Put that one out there. Let's do that, and then let's replace the wallet. Oh, that's on Hero Miners. Okay, that shouldn't be a problem though, should it?
What?
So if we move that over and do oh no, that's still having an issue because
bam, welcome.
let's see.
Oh, hey, can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we hear you.
Sweet. Hello.
I'm
probably not going to stick around for very long, but I just figured since you guys are doing this.
Yeah, no problem.
Oh, no, still having an issue for argument count. I guess chances are that it's because I've got a worker name on it.
Those programmer guys just programming stuff.
I mean, I always love to throw crazy, options at Doc all the time. I'm like, oh, I've got this, I've got this GPU. Do you reckon it'll work on yours? And it's usually a case of, well, go and give it a try and see and find out.
Okay, I literally just tried this exact command line and it was working for me. How about...
Hold on a minute. Let me try just copy and pasting it out of here. Now you said it was working with the Hero Miners one, right? Actually,
yeah,
it's the easy way.
Oh yeah, Chocolate Miner saying -P is password, -O is pool. What do you got in there?
Oh, not for BZ. For BZ, -P is the pool.
Oh, okay.
-O would be the output log file.
Gotcha.
Nope.
Okay, and you're on 2304. Is that the last release we had?
Yeah, it's the latest one. Okay. I grabbed it from GitHub before coming on.
Yeah. Oh, well, you know what? Actually, it might be crashing. You know what? I bet I know exactly why it's crashing. It's I don't support that card yet, and so it's just.
Yeah.
I better fix that so it's a little more clear that that's happening. But okay, I'm gonna just drop off, and then I'll just try to make a quick beta real quick and see if I can make a binary for that card. And I'll just send it over to you. You guys.
Yep. No worries.
No problem.
Drop off.
So while we're waiting, what other ones have we got?
Hawk here is asking, what do we got here? Something about what's up with Dynex. So yesterday we had a live stream, we went over that. To sum it all up, Dynex is essentially leaving the blockchain world, and you're going to have to convert, and they're like moving to be publicly open, and they're making a dedicated ASIC for the Dynex chain itself. And it's just going to do the compute stuff. It's not going to be a blockchain, and it's moving to, I guess, the stock market. So big changes are happening there. So you're going to want to follow that. If you're hodling Dynex, you're going to want to stay up to date with everything they got going on, because you're going to have to swap your coins over in KYC or sell it now, or if you don't want to do any of that.
So I wasn't crazy. I was hearing a smoke detector chirping.
What? You had a smoke detector going off?
Okay.
No, somebody had something chirping in the background.
Ergo works on LOL miner.
Oh, Ergo's working on LOL. All right, let's just jump back into this. Boom.
I have no idea if this is a refined version for LOL though, with their implementation. I have no idea on if Lolideb has managed to get a full implementation. Oh yeah, sorry, 1.4 gigahash per card.
1.4 gigahash per card.
I almost missed it, to be fair. It's scrolling up the screen so fast.
Yeah, let's see.
There you go.
Pick up, yeah, 1.4
Got it.
right there. What's their total?
Times 8? Is that 11 gigahash?
11 gigahash. That's insane.
Yeah, 11 gigahash total.
Just rolls in with the $10. Thank you very much, because we're all broke. Here, buy a battery for the smoke detector.
There you go.
Oh man.
There's all the details for the thing.
1.4 gigahash, like per card.
Yeah.
No, yeah. And our total here is what? 11.6.
One of those
gigahash.
cards is more than my entire rig.
Oh man, that's a cool 11.4 gigahash. Nothing to see here. Now imagine a data center that has racks of these, like one rack, 72 of these.
Yeah, I think so. It's, hang on, let me just double check with the thing. I'm pretty sure.
It's 100 gigahash a rack.
The cluster is 16 8 GPU rigs, so it's 128 GPU, basically 128 GPUs.
128.
Yeah.
128 times 1.4. Okay, 179 gigahash per rack. So imagine someone that had like 100 racks. They said, I'm going to mine Ergo today for something to do.
I mean, right now,
like
just me on my own, I'm at 11 gigahash, right? That would put me in the top 10 on the whole network.
Top 10 in the whole... What? Yeah, okay. So yeah, this
number
is
10 is 11.94 gigahash.
Wow.
That is ridiculous, to be fair.
That's insane. Yep. So Jockwick Miner here says, where is it? Where are we at here? With the right mining software, could this mine SHA-256 algo? Well, yes, you can mine Bitcoin SHA-256 with your GPU right now with CG Miner, I believe it is.
Yes, you can. Of course you can.
So yeah, you could definitely just turn it onto that if it's supported, I guess. But that's crazy. 11.6 gigahash is only $9. That's what someone put there for profit. I don't know, is it?
I have no idea.
I'm not sure. All right, so Ergo's insane. What else was there?
Fish hash?
Yeah, fish hash. Who has an Iron Fish address?
Need a pool for fish hash.
Okay, looking for pools.
Iron fish.
All right, Iron Fish.
I mean, Hero Miners is the quickest one, I would guess, to probably get working.
Yeah, it looks like a Hero Miners would be it.
So where's
I went to the wrong thing here.
Oh, there is mine_ironfish. Yep, there we go. I just need a wallet, basically.
All right, Iron Fish wallet. What do we got? Is that an Iron Fish? I see.
I see two.
We'll go with Jay Styles. He was first.
Okie doke.
Iron Fish. Let's see.
This should be interesting because obviously fish hash is supposed to be, you know, really designed for server not reachable. Hold on a second.
Did it just detect this and you just blew up the pool or what? DE.
Yeah, 11.
Yeah.
That is correct. Their central server for there is down by the looks of it. Okay. So if that's the case, I need to do
US iron 2
F5 for
US.
Finland. Then that should be okay.
Oh,
no.
Yeah.
Oh, hang on a minute. Am I looking at SSL, not non-SSL here?
Oh,
no,
TLS
1145
disabled.
is okay. So what's wrong?
TLS.
Why is it saying that it's unreachable?
We could try Cryptex.
Yeah, that's really weird because it should. 1145 is definitely the correct port.
Oh, is it? You still have an Ergo wallet in there? Is that what someone's saying?
Oh, no, hang on. Is that an Ergo wallet or is that a fish hash wallet? Hold on a minute. That might be an Ergo wallet.
J Styles 9 EVW. No, that should be fish hash, isn't it? Iron. Oh, do you have to have iron in front of it, I think, don't you? Or no?
Let me look at mine real quick.
I can't remember. Do you need iron in front of it?
No, not for mine.
Okay.
Hold on. Let me try using that one a minute. Because it's saying about the actual server.
It's saying the server.
There we go. That one worked. So Delta PVP's wallet goes in just fine.
Interesting.
That's a bit
Something
weird.
was wrong with J Styles. Did we copy it wrong? Maybe? I don't know.
Maybe.
Huh. Interesting.
Okay.
So it was the wallet, not the server.
Is that 130 mega hash? Oh no, there's some that are here that are like 200.
Yeah, it should be more than that. It should be.
God.
It should be like I don't even know. Yeah, it should be picking up. It's picking up now. 501.
So their whole network right now is 922, right? So
Yeah,
how much are we already up to?
922 gigahash.
4 gigahash. That makes that set of cards the third largest ironfish pool already. 1 gigahash is the third pool on their list. There we go.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, 1 gigahash.
500 mega hash a card. No, they're still spooling up.
They're still going. Still climbing. Oh man, that is insane.
Yeah,
wow.
It's over 500 a card.
Oh, I don't even know what to say about that.
It's crazy. So that gives you an idea of what Ethereum would have done.
Yeah. No, well,
fish hash is pretty much, you know.
Oh yeah, fish hash. I was thinking Ergo.
So
Ergo was more.
It's Ethereum ET hash B3, isn't it? If I remember rightly.
Wow, you imagine 501 mega hash on a GPU on Ethereum?
Yeah.
1,000 watts per card. Just cool. It's 1,000. It might even be 1,400 watts a card.
Oh, if I had these back when, you know, Ethereum was absolutely pumping,
I'd solved the block.
I'd have been.
Someone said it solved the block already.
Was that?
Altrex says it solved a block already on iron.
Really? No way.
Did it just hit a block for real?
Hold on. So it was Delta PVP's wallet that we're using. So if I
hero miners, as they say.
That. Where is it? Yeah. That's recent block rewards. That's not solo mining. But we probably should solo mine.
Probably.
Hold on. How do I do solo mining with this? Oh, I just put solo at the beginning. Perfect.
Yeah, solo at the beginning of the address.
Okay. let's see how many we can get. Because if we're the third largest on the network right now,
You should find a
then
block, but
this
like
would
how
make a
long would it take?
lot of sense to do this. So solo.
Wow.
This would be really funny if it just starts hitting block after block.
Yeah, imagine. Oh, miner worker right there. Yeah.
So I saw Warthog pop up when you were looking at, I guess, scripts or whatever, but in the directories you were in. Have you tried that to see how that works?
Oh yeah, Warthog. This thing would be
This
insane on that
monster
probably.
machine.
That's a good question. I haven't touched Warthog in months, so
No. Is Warthog FPGAs now?
yes, I think.
That's what
Yeah.
I hear.
I thought I heard that, but I wasn't sure. And then I asked that in my Discord, and people are like, "Well, you can't because you need your CPU as well as your GPU." But I'm like, I'm pretty sure I heard FPGAs are taking it over, but yeah, I don't know. Oh, it says Wart should work on BZ for this. It's an Ergo wallet. Use mine. I'm going to rent it 8x. Yusuf also wants you to try Hashcat. See, I'm trying to refresh if we smash a block or not. 1.41 is still ramping up. No blocks yet.
And there's one coin that I'm really curious to see what these do that specifically takes advantage of data center cards and not being nerfed. I forget which what do they call that? I'm blanking for words. Like what is it? FP16, FP32, FP64, whatever the floating point calculations are called. That category. There's something that data center cards are not nerfed on compared to workstation or desktop cards.
FP64.
FP64. Okay, so that must be it then. What is it called? HUSAT. HUSAT is extremely fast for data center cards. So we'd be really curious to see what that would do, but this is probably going to nuke the network if you put it on there.
Yeah, it's going to be.
Who's that?
I mean, I don't even know how much does HUSAT have on their network right now, because we don't want to obviously damage their network.
That's what I'm saying. It's probably doesn't have enough on there to. You would probably make quite a wave. I'll put it that way.
So the question is, which do you want to do next? Warthog?
We could. I just want to see. I'm trying to see if
Kapow.
we've found a block or anything yet.
I mean, most people just want me to put Kapow on to see how much power it can really pull.
The hash rate of that beast. TTRUD.
Well, let's do Warthog first.
Okay, and what was that other one? HUSAT? Is HUSAT a mining pool
to the last minute?
It is.
Okay, that's your HTN.
I mean, technically, you've also got Tari, but I mean, they're more ASIC now, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
Tari.
Oh, you know what?
Tari has a GPU side.
I mean, we could try that as well. What's that based on, actually?
Cuckoo.
Isn't
it?
Yeah, you can GPU mine either of them. There's SHA-3X and then there's Cuckoo.
The
29.
ASICs are on the SHA-3X, but you could do either one.
Okay, so I need a Warthog wallet address.
Warthog wallet address. Anybody got? So hash rate on HUSAT is 83 megahash in the pools, but 1.9 gigahash unknown. So 95%.
Just looking at my spreadsheet, and 5090s do 5 megahash. So there's should be plenty of width there.
Yes.
To weather the storm if you wanted to give it a go.
we could probably check it out. It'll be interesting. Let's see what we got here. Delta, is that one? Delta PvP, is that Warthog? Oh, he said yes. Yep. So that's Warthog.
Okay, perfect.
117 viewers, 53 likes. Smash them likes, guys. Let's do
just
this.
Double check. So this one's going on Viper.
A Viper.
I'm just using the one that was already pre-set up in the file. No. BZ Miner's having issues with it. I would guess that it's probably to do with the fact it's got 270 gig of RAM, and most miner devs have not worked out that obviously it can be, you know. So if that's the case, does SRB have Warthog?
I can't remember. I think they do. I'm not 100% sure.
List algorithms. Let's have a look. Wart hash, if I remember rightly, isn't it? Or is it just called Wart?
I don't know if they changed anything or not. Let me
You got Verus hash as well.
Oh, Verus coin.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, that would be an interesting
Verus
one.
would be interesting.
For the CPU, yeah.
Obviously, Ghost Rider is another one.
Wart, they're calling POBW on mining pool stats. The network hash rate just fell off a cliff on it. I guess not too bad.
Yeah, don't have anything that supports it at the moment.
Yeah, no, it doesn't look like it. Okay.
So what would be the other option? Verus?
With the CPU, yeah, we could try Verus coin for the CPU.
Guided setup. No. Verus hash, right? Yeah. And then we need
PvP is all over the addresses. Yeah, Delta, we see it. You sent your Verus. So he has his Verus right there, the RQMR.
Okay, mobile host, regular miner. Here it is. Okay, there's the pool. Wallet address for Verus, please, if somebody's got one.
Yeah, there's a Verus one. Delta has a Verus one there, the RQMR.
Okay. Start.
Jamie was smoking down. Asked Gemini AI the price of XMR, the middle and end of this year. Here's what it replied: middle 2026, $900 to $1,100, and 2026, $1,300 to $1,500 XMR. That's AI prediction. Imagine if it hits that.
All right. So Verus is firing up. It's on the Verus.io pool.
Verus.io, where is that? How come I don't see Verus.io pool?
Verus.
Oh, right there. Yeah, never mind. It's the third one. Yeah, Finland. I see it there.
Worker stats. Miner lookup.
I'm going to make this big again. Boom.
No data available just yet.
All right, CP, let's see what you got.
Oh, job rejected. Share not found.
Yeah, it's probably just too fast. They'll get a few rejected. Low difficulty. Rocking.
It's doing so many shares right now that
Yep.
this is going to be interesting given that Verus has quite a big network. Like there's nearly 5,000 miners, of course, right? So it'd be interesting to see where this actually pops out for just a single rig. I mean, this is ridiculous hardware to put on what is mostly a mobile phone network.
Verus Mobile hates high hash.
Yeah, I was going to say. They go 351 mega hash.
351 right now. It might still be climbing. I'm not sure. I got to see.
That puts us just above Cedric Crispin.
Oh, yeah. Cedric.
Yeah.
Let's see what picks up.
351 mega hash.
My 9950X. Where's my Beerus? Yeah.
Speaking of interesting coins, what about either Cubic or Neptune Privacy? I wonder what either of those would do with
Neptune
that
designed around actually high-end data center cards?
Yeah, it really, really likes high-end cards. Neptune Privacy seems to be a little bit, it's a fork of Neptune Cash, seems to be a little bit more friendly for smaller consumer cards. But
So-
yeah, it's really good.
Right here, I got...
Is there any pulls for Neptune yet? Or do we have to do it as solo mining?
7950X on my spreadsheet on Virus is 53 to 56 mega hash. So just to kind of compare versus that big boy.
What's the is it on mining pool stats?
Yeah, it's not on mining pool stats.
Neptune, no.
Let's see, how do where'd that window go?
Yeah, Neptune, no, it's not.
Yeah, one of the they were pool operators for Cubic. They did Cubic Solutions, and then they rebranded to poolhub.io. They're working with Allfather on the miner front for Neptune.
Oh, that's actually interesting because those QLI guys they're some smart dudes.
Yeah, they did some. Well, it's not QLI. It's Cubic Solutions. They were the underdog, so to speak. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's different then. Okay, I gotcha.
So which is the best option for Quai then?
Cubic Solutions. Oh, that's who was making that better GPU miner all the time, wasn't it at first?
Yeah, they were. Yeah. They were the ones that were really, really doing good with optimization and started that whole arms race between the different pools.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's what sounds familiar there. See what do we got here? 350.
No, you're probably thinking of a different hub, Panda.
Oh boy.
Oh, that's great. I like that. That one was good.
Yusuf, Yeti, can I rent from you for a few days? I'll cash app you. What do we got here? What are we looking for? What are these addresses that everyone's sending right now? Is it Cubic or this Neptunes?
Is there any that isn't quite just ProgPow, right?
Yeah.
Quiet ProgPow. Or no, Kapow. It used to be ProgPow, but since they moved to the SOAP thing, they're mining Raven coin on Kapow.
Okay, so somebody's gonna. I've not done anything with Quai yet, so I guess which network?
Let me find Quai here. Quai, Kapow. So here, Hero Miners again.
That doesn't surprise me.
Hero Miners is in all these. Hero Miners and Cryptech seem to be dominating the altcoins.
So you want to do it on Kapow, yeah? Because we don't want to do script or SHA-256. It's not even worth it.
No, yeah. Kapow on this, yeah.
Okay, so let's do that then. Okay, so it's just Kapow then, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so that would be...
Delta. What's that address? That's 0x004b.
Why?
These Quai addresses?
No, and then it is Kapow, right? Yep.
Okay, yeah, that's
then start. So starting difficulty, I probably should put it on the highest difficulty, right?
Probably, yeah. And then I don't know, we're gonna go solo option.
I mean, can I?
It's your
Can you
Tiro
do?
miners,
Yeah, you
right?
can
So
apparently.
it's solo before the thing, isn't it?
Okay, I mean, let's go for
I
it then.
believe.
Solo. And then, oh no, hang on a minute. That's just for the address of the pool. Hang on. So it's that one, and then port 1186. And then the wallet address would be solo. And then I need a wallet address. Who dumped a wallet address for me? Is that Delta's?
It looks like Delta. He's got every address in there.
Yeah.
He's like, I'll get a block on something today. Oh man. Oh, we also have an HU. HU has a quiet there also now.
Start Quai. This would be interesting.
All right, let's see what we got for Kapow. Like we're not tweaked on anything. These are like running stock. I mean,
Yeah.
they're probably hot. Or I guess you're liquid cooled, but you're probably boiling the liquid or something.
Boiling the ocean, running kapow.
Yeah. We'll see on the news a bunch of whales got beached.
Well, that
somewhere.
didn't take long to create the DAG, did it? It was like literally 1
Insta-dag.
millisecond.
You got Insta-dag.
Yeah, almost instant. So nice.
Insta-dag.
Don't see a worker popping up yet. So I'm spamming the refresh. Hash rate. What are we at? Kapow. Lucas oil and antifreeze. Never boils. Everyone's just quiet in anticipation. What's the hash?
I know, right? It's like, come on. We all want to see it.
I need some, like, what's it called? Some of that music that really adds to the effect.
The suspense. Yeah.
What if that mush power on Kapow opens a portal or a black hole?
I mean, technically, it is hooked up to geothermal power. So, I mean, it is tapping the Earth's core for powering itself up.
Nice.
There we go. Oh, here we go. 1.3 petahash.
Gigahash. Yeah. 1.3 gigahash.
Gigahash. Yeah, gigahash. 170 megahash each on this one. Oh, I think a worker did. Yeah, B300 just popped in onto the pool.
I mean, I've not done any Kapow in a while, so you guys are gonna have to tell me if that's actually very good or what.
That's
Like
pretty good.
170 megahash seems pretty reasonable.
Let's just see GPU. I'm just gonna look up a 5090 right quick. Hash rate .no. We got Quai is 95 megahash. The 5090 is 95 megahash.
So it's almost double. Well, it's almost pretty much double, right?
Yeah, almost double of a 5090. that's some nice Kapow hash rate there, that's for sure. Now, any blocks happening yet? Need a block.
Yeah, the question is, like, so that would put us right now. I mean, it would put us still at the bottom of the list, but that's still one rig is 1/10 the size of the next one, and it's got 27 workers, and we've got 1. So yeah, it's pretty good. Oh, actually, that's still going up, by the way.
It's still climbing?
Yeah,
It's
that's
still
now
getting
at
more?
180 megahash a card. I think it's still tuning.
Oh, does it have a tune? I don't know.
Yeah, it's got an auto tuning feature, hasn't it? Because at the beginning it said that it might take a minute or two.
Oh, I might have to wait a couple minutes here. So it's cheaper to just buy 16 5090s. Yeah, most likely. These aren't cheap.
Yeah, I mean, realistically, you should never use these for mining on. These are not. That's not what these are designed for. These are designed for large language models and data training. Like that's why it has so much RAM on board, because you're effectively squeezing entire language models into one GPU rather than having to split them.
272. Hash rate still picking
It's
up at the
still
pool.
going up.
Current solo effort, it says 65%. What?
Unless,
That means we should almost hit a.
because,
But that's right. We should hit a block soon, in theory, based on 100%. Right?
yes, I would guess so. That is correct. Like it's based on 100%, right? So I guess
Yeah. If this says we're at 65% right now.
Yeah.
Already.
Yeah.
What? Is that right? Was he were you trying to solo mine previously? I don't even know. Maybe he tried solo mining in the past and it just stuck there.
So right now, I mean, it's still spooling up, but right now that would still be, terrible returns.
Check
to
the
run these
worker,
on.
not my old stats.
But 1,000 watts a card is ridiculous for energy.
That's scary.
Yeah.
Worker.
So what
Oh,
about
so these are-
Jock McMiner mentioned something Ethereum flavored.
Oh yeah, like ETC or something.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I mean, ETC is an option.
I could see how they do versus, the jazz miners and stuff.
I mean,
Get some
you're
hash.
talking about Ethereum Classic, right? Or Ethereum POW?
Either one, it's the same thing. Well, not the same thing, but like the hash rates will be the same.
Yeah, there's that. Parallax is a
Octa.Space
Ethereum derivative. Yeah, Octa.Space.
Yeah, you got Octa.Space. You got what was some of the other ones?
Yep, up to
Thorium
67%.
is another one, I believe, that was around for a while.
I guess anything ETH hash, ETC hash based would work.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Atika is dual GPU and CPU.
That's right. That's right.
It's dual?
There's
there's two
there's
chains.
two different. Yeah.
Yeah, you got the
one's around the max,
ETAS
one's
and
the
the
ETC
ETI.
hash.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Well, there's Telest AI. I thought that coin's still alive?
Yes. That's right. Yeah. That would be
The
interesting.
pirate has asked for us to try out. I mean, this seems like it's steadied in at around 180 mega hash a card.
Yeah. So it looks like we got compound numbers, 180 mega hash. Any blocks? Refreshing.
I mean, 180 mega hash is still pretty insane.
No blocks found.
Right. Okay, so let's do list algorithms. So this is going to be ETH hash, right? Yep. Okay, so guided setup. ETC. Nope. Algorithm is ET hash. Paul, the pirates asked for an ETC hash. Is it ET? Oh, hang on a second. I need to cancel that out and do it again.
Delta P doesn't have a wallet for ETC.
No, and then it's ETC hash, not ET hash. Okay, so which one did the pirate ask for? 2 miners.
Yeah, he probably had this set up for getting paid in Bitcoin or something.
So there's that, and then where's his wallet address? That. Start ETC.
We go here.
It's a shame something like T-Rex Miner or something that was really, really refined for ET hash, right?
Oh yeah, I forgot about T-Rex.
Current GPUs, they can't, because you can't add any new idents for the GPUs to fire up.
Mm-hmm.
So Same problem.
Yeah, T-Rex was pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. Once F left, it left. Said, see you later. I'm not dealing with all this other crap.
Yeah, a lot of them did.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we finally found one that Delta didn't have a wallet for. Damn.
Yeah. That is true. All right, what do we got going on the ETC front? That's the default. Like actually, how's the memory in these work? Are they just pump max memory all the time, or? Someone's guessing. Chocolate Blind is saying 300 mega hash. What's anyone else think before it pops up?
I'm gonna say 225.
225. Delta says 400. What is a 5090 on ETC? I'm just gonna take a peek here. I don't even know if
This
it's
will be
listed.
interesting.
Oh, ETC. A 5090 is 215.
Wow, it's
Okay.
already nearly a giga hash on Paul's side.
Yeah, I was way off.
What are we at here?
That's
Holy
5.2 giga hash.
658. 5.2
What
giga hash
the
on
hell?
these.
That's nearly 700
5.2
mega
giga
hash
hash?
hard.
Wow. Holy.
Could you imagine if these were about when Ethereum was available? Wow.
No doubt.
That would be Lambo money.
Yeah.
5.2 gigahash, 5275. I got my spreadsheet still set on Ethereum when it was around because I like to compare. Let's just go to GPUs here. 5.2 gigahash, 5200. Let's see. Oh, where's my thing? Right here. So F. Here's 61 mega hash. We're at 5200. So 399. 5200. 340 a day.
Damn.
340.
Yeah,
That's
it's
times
literally
4 years.
pinning the card as well to 1,000 watts.
It's insane. Yeah. What is Ethereum? So yeah, 61 to 3060 Ti at this time was $399 a day.
Yeah.
Insane numbers.
Back in the day, I think they roughly worked it out to be about, what was it? About a giga hash per 40 to 50 high-end cards.
It's at F
Something
days,
like that.
100 GPUs were 3 gigahash.
Yeah, I've never seen an ETH hash GPU ever go as high as that. That's almost ASIC levels.
Oh yeah, that's
hash
insane.
rate.
Well, that's what when Ethereum around, it was the A10 Pro. Wasn't that 507 that ASIC? 507 mega hash.
Yeah.
Well, what?
So this is more than the A10 Pro when it came out. One of these GPUs.
The 170HX was supposed to be what, 160 mega hash, something like that?
Yeah, I think so.
Something like that.
Then the one that didn't release, what was it? The 220 HX 220 or something was supposed to be 212 or something, I think. But yeah, it never released or something. Yeah, that's insane though.
That's actually pinning the actual GPUs to 1,000 watts as well, which is crazy.
It is
nuts. 8,000 watts for 8,000 watts for 5.2 gigahash. Now what are the Jazz miners at, the current ones? I'm gonna go to front page.
Actually, the Jazz miner, that's an interesting one because I think
Jazz miner. So let's go. The current ones is 1.9 at 1950 watts. So 3 of them for 6,000, 2, 4. So at about 6,000 watts. And the Jazz miner X16Q is pretty good. So efficiency wise, these actually aren't that bad. You think about that, 1,000 watts each.
In the grand scheme of things, yeah, they're not, but it's still a lot of power.
Yeah, it's a lot of power, but these would, and if Ethereum was around, people would be buying these for Ethereum probably.
Yeah, and bear in mind this is with no overclocks.
Yeah.
Just stock.
Now the X44P, on the other hand, the new one that's supposed to be coming, that one is 23 gigahash at only 2,500 watts.
Yeah. I mean, that's
But-
where the benefit of ASICs come in, right? You're going to get the bigger hash rate for less power.
But who knows when that's even going to release? It's already a year overdue.
Look, you can actually tell I've got a slight slouch of a card because it won't boost right up. Probably Silicon Lottery. I never even realized that. It's the first time I've really actually pushed these to the max.
Oh yeah, interesting there. That's crazy though. That's insane. Over 5 gigahash on the 8 cards. Wow.
Yeah, that is pretty crazy.
All right. So what else do we got? GPU side of things.
Anything else?
There's got to be more here. Let's see what do we got. We got okay, we did Quiet. There's Dynex, but Dynex is moving away anyway, so I don't know.
I mean, I can definitely do Dynex.
There's Cubic, yeah.
I can certainly
Cubic we can test the CPU and the GPUs.
Yeah.
Yep. Both.
What miner? What miner do I need to use?
Yeah, what do we use for that?
Jetski seems like they do a pretty good job. Their pool.
Yeah, I can't remember how that miner works. They have their own miner, right?
Yeah. So we probably need something that's CLI. Let's see. I have to figure this out.
Oh look, there's a completely empty network there.
Excellent.
So why don't we do that? Right. Okay. So create. Oh, I've got to actually create an account. Well, that's gone then.
Yeah. They're saying like we could definitely downclock, but like, can you even do any overclocking settings through there?
So, which miner is it?
Well, you should be able to do it through the miner, but yeah.
Well, you could throw some stuff into NVIDIA SMI. It's not as granular as using a separate tool, but you can mess with like power limits, and I think you can do fixed clocks if I remember right. For core, I don't know if you can do memory.
Oh yeah, lock core. Yeah, that's right. Memory. You can. Oh, that's the offset. I think you can do a plus and an offset to do like that voltage drop or something.
I think I had to do something weird. I've been messing around on my my AI server trying to get things locked in, and I had to do something aside from SMI.
Here we go. So download the latest miner. Okay, let's do this.
Are you getting Cubic set up?
Yep.
Okay.
All right. So we're gonna need a Cubic address. Oh, we already got one. Oh, that's Bitcoin. Bits Please has a VTC address. So we'll use Bits for VTC later. So we'll remember that though. Cubic right here. J Styles has a Cubic address.
There you go.
Something right there.
Right. So
Delta P there too. 90% of that.
I just need to run. Once extracted, you can start the miner. Apparently,
90% of Vast AI rentals are running Hashcat. Interesting.
Here we go. So whose one am I using first? The
J Styles Cubic. Yep.
Yeah. Okie doke.
Now how does it work? You just run the one miner and you can run both CPUs and GPU, right?
CPU true.
You have to run them separate.
Yeah.
CPU threads leave empty. GPU true.
Oh, I guess right here you run them both.
PPLNS true. XMR mining true.
Hopefully they're not in a XMR rotation. Forgot about that.
Yeah, I don't know.
Looks like now, I have no idea when it comes to I have no idea what it comes to with numbers on Cubic. So
I don't think anyone does because every week it was always different.
Exactly. That's the one thing you never have to feel bad about with Cubic is feeling like your numbers are out of date, because they always are.
Yeah.
It's madness.
Well, so this is looking like it's 1700 average IT.
No,
Oh, no,
1.8. It's going up.
262 IT a second. Iterations per second.
Yeah, what can we see? There's the GPUs. Can we see the CPU?
Let me
Right, so
see.
if I now grab that wallet again and
Where's
put
the
it in
Cubic
here,
pool?
should be able to see the pool now. Yep, there it is. AVX 512 trainer. Yeah.
There you got it. You share that screen for a second.
So if you, I'll send it over to you for a second, and then it'll be easier. So that's the pool.
Okay.
And then all you got to do is just drop in that wallet. So it's showing up, but it's not showing any stats yet. So I guess it's probably going to have to take a few minutes to catch up.
No, probably.
Oh, their miner's already had a stack problem because it's timing out. Probably just sending data back too fast. I've already broke their API socket.
Blew up Cubic. Cubic exploded. See that? Where's the rigs? Oh, yeah, still not there.
It does actually have one share, so I mean, I guess that it's working.
Yeah, it's doing something. Huh, interesting.
There we go.
Yeah, I have no idea on if this is a good number or not.
So it looks like right now 5090s are ballpark 220 ITs per second.
220. 220?
220.
And these are doing 262, so not that much
My guess
more.
is my honest guess with these is that it's probably just not optimized.
No, it wouldn't be optimized at all.
That sounds about right. Because they
Yeah.
definitely got more gas than tank.
All right. Lots of flop.
A lot of flops.
A lot of flops. Not too
Anything
much
else?
optimization. What do we have? What's Vertcoin? BTC.
Oh, Vertcoin. Okay.
BTC, Vertcoin.
I think SRB Miner does Vertcoin.
Yeah, that's Vert Hash.
Vert Hash. There it is. Okay.
Vert it up.
Vertcoin. Any particular pool?
I don't think so. It looks like everybody's just on one pool anyway, for the most part. Wooly pooly.
Yeah. Okay, woolly pulley it is then. Right, so Vert VTC, there it is. And where's how you start this all off? So where's the getting started part?
Are we looking for Stratums?
Yeah, I need the stratum for
Vertcoin connection.
Vertcoin.
Select type. Are you doing solo?
Connection. Yeah,
Right
we can
there.
put it on solo.
There's
there we go,
solo.
got it. So EU, there it is. Right, there it is. I know Rude Puts has got a wallet. Where is he? Yep, there it is. I knew Rude Puts would have a wallet.
Throw it on money. That's friend coin to BTC. 93 viewers, 67 likes. Smash it. Nvidia B300. What we got here? GPUs, VertHash. What kind of algorithm is VertHash? Is it a core based or a memory based?
I have no idea.
Me neither.
Rupert should be able to tell
No
us that.
idea.
Hmm. Oh yeah, bits please. What about my address? Yeah, here's the first one to put in the Vertcoin one.
Was he? I saw Rude above.
I think, but when we start Cubic, it was.
Oh, there's a load
Find a
of
new one.
validation
We'll
failure.
use bits please on the next thing.
Yeah, we
figure
can.
out
Yeah,
whatever the next
sure.
one is. Get some hash rates here. Pick an algo, bits. What do you want? What do you want to try?
Another one that would probably do well is Knockchain. That was the other one that was rumbling in the background.
Please test Quai. We already tried Quai. Tried Kapow earlier.
Yeah, Zeno.
Zeno, no, we didn't do.
What's Zano use?
It's some sort of ProgPow variant.
Oh, it's ProgPow. Oh, there you go. 11 mega hash a card.
11 mega hash a card. So what's a card? Okay, I'm gonna need hash rate data. No. We got 5090 here.
I don't even think that's finished tuning yet. So
probably not. I'm just trying to see. Oh, friend coin is Kapow. Okay. Zano, yeah, Zano ProgPow Z.
It shouldn't be too different. Abelian actually should perform different. I know that one does pretty well for data center cards and like 170HX and things like that. They've got a weird algo.
Which one?
Abelian.
Oh, Able. Yeah.
Yeah, Able.
They have their own miner as well, if I remember rightly, yes?
Yes.
Oh.
You double check and see what I was using. But I think MaxPool has their own that they make.
Yeah.
I think it was MaxPool.
Oh, there's also Conflux with Octopus that needs the high RAM.
Yeah.
Or RAM memory. It says an RX 470 does 400 kill hash. Which one is it? I can't find Vertcoin. Vertcoin's not on the 5090s in hash rate. Huh.
What one's this?
Interesting.
Looks like I was using Rigel for MaxPool.
So, what is that? Crypto with. Let me just find that thing right here.
Ah, I found it. I found it. All right, okay. Bits, is this a certain algo that you're recommending, or is this like got its own miner that's to do with it? I'm looking at this now. Hang on.
So, crypto with bacon and eggs.
Oh, it's a Kapow.
Okay.
Which one?
The one that Bits please put in there. My NTA.
The Kapow we already tried with Quai.
Oh yeah.
Crypto mine with bacon and eggs here has what's the difference between data center cards and regular cards other than no fan? Data center
money.
Cards are not cut
Yusuf
down.
puts it really perfectly. Money.
Money, there you go. Money.
Take
That's
what
the
a
difference.
5090 costs and add an extra zero.
At least. Add an extra
Basically,
zero and then
yeah.
times that by 2.
Wow, look at that. At 88 mega hash, you're looking at $27-ish a day in vert before electric.
Wow.
Not bad.
So Bits Please doesn't really mind anything else. So there's no what to suggest. Which GPUs? Which GPUs are what? Ultra nums. It's ultra nums. These ones right now we're testing? Or which GPUs do you add the extra 0 and times 2?
Yep. The Pirate puts that pretty well. HBM memory and a giant core. Yep.
There you go.
Yeah, I mean, have you seen the data center GPU dies? Because obviously HBM's all on package, right? So the dies are like this. The dies are massive.
Huge. Yeah.
Big, big, big. What do we got here? Go back to here for now. Someone had something here. What was it? Don't tell anyone about Manta yet. It's a secret new coin. Uh-oh. What about obscure algo? Grin. Oh yeah, Grin. That is ASICs, but there's also Grin out there. Yeah, that's right. But a lot of GPU miners are mining Grin.
Yep. There's a lot of ASICs on Grin, if I remember rightly, right? Is it Grin?
Yeah. Yeah, Grin has ASICs, the Apollo ASIC, which has been around for years, but every once in a while it still pops up as being profitable on GPUs. So
similar to Growstall, that's another one that just randomly pops up because they didn't sell many miners for the ASICs.
Mm-hmm.
I know that Retro Mike's got a Growstall miner.
Okay. Yeah, Cuckoo 32 is what Grin says it runs on.
So what next?
Guess we could try
Meow
Grin out.
on Meow Pow. Isn't that just
that's Kapow? Yeah. Yeah. For the most part, yeah. I think it's changed slightly, but it's pretty much the same.
It's something like double the hash rate of Kapow from
is it? Oh, is it tweaked like that? It's faster? Okay.
Doc's just posted in the channel. He's just compiling a beta now.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's sort of that, and Telestai seem to have similar hash rate. And they're a lot friendlier than Kapow.
Okay. All right. Well, let's try some Grin action, I guess, and then we'll try, I guess, the Meow.
Is Meow still mineable? I thought that swapped over to.
It's split. It still runs GPU side and script side now.
Oh, it does.
Yeah, so it's going both ways.
Oh.
Yeah, and there's Octopus Conflux here too.
What miner is good for Grin?
Good question. What's a Grin miner? You guys? I have never mined that on a GPU. I haven't mined it at all, actually, because I don't have the ASIC.
Conflux.
Jockwick Miner has a Grin address right there. We got to figure out the miner for it. LOL miner, they say. LOL.
Oh, LOL. I know that does Conflux. And, oh, yeah, Grin 32, right?
Yeah. Yeah, Cuckoo 32. So what's...
Okay, so somebody got a Grin...
Yeah, there's an address in there. Jockwick Miner has a Grin address.
Jock, okay.
My Atari C29 is Cuckaroo 29. So yeah, it's a little different. So here we go. Loading up. Boom. Pool equals solo. What? Are we solo mining? 43 graphs, 48 graphs. Total 370 graphs. 399. Oh, it's still picking up.
I have no idea if that's good or not.
I don't know. I'm on a 5090 here. Does it have grin?
Well,
Yeah.
let's look 400 now. That puts
2
us.
graphs.
That puts us
2G.
right on. I'm literally just behind 2 miners solo pool.
Yeah, no, the hashrate.no says grin on a 5090 is 2G.
Really? Are you serious? Because that means that it's nearly 25 times more performance.
Yusuf says that's an old LOL miner version. Update it.
That isn't. That's the one off their GitHub.
Yeah,
I grabbed it.
No, he's saying it's a very old LOL miner.
I'm pretty sure that's not.
I have no idea. What did the version say? 1.98 or something? I'm not sure.
1.98 was the last one that's in there, apparently. Yeah. Oh, hang on a minute. There is a 1.9AA as well.
Oh, yeah, I see 1.98, September 15th, 25.
Oh, I mean,
21st.
it's quite weird because 198A was supposed to fix a problem with Grin not mining, but
yeah, I'm just
this is mining just fine. But I can upgrade it if you want me to.
He's saying it's 2.7, but I don't know. Is there a different GitHub?
Has he stopped posting on his GitHub or something? Because the last one on his GitHub is 198A, released
Google
23rd of August 2025.
LOL miner 2.7.
Yeah, it's 1.98. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So that's what we're on.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, there is also an A version of it, but there's,
yeah.
I guess that's probably, yeah. So I need to probably go get version A then. Hang on. 1 second.
That's crazy though. Like that, I got is that a hash rate .no error? 2 gigahash, 2G per S on hash rate for a 5090. Let me just try a different GPU. Let's try 5080.
LOL miner release.
5080 don't have grin.
Why is that not? Has 198 not got any downloads? Oh, there it is.
Yeah, 4090 says 1.65 graphs. So yeah, 5090 must be 2, and that thing is destroying it. What's the ASICs do? I'm gonna bring up the Apollo ASIC. G1 Mini.
Which one was we doing? Grin, wasn't it? Right, where's that address? Whose was it? Jocks, right? If I remember rightly.
Yeah.
It was Jocks. I mean, it's going to give me terrible latency because it's suggesting that I connect to Asia, but who cares? It doesn't really matter. There you go. There's 1.98A.
I'm confused. This Apollo G1 Mini says 1.2 hashes per second. Is it only 1.2 graphs?
So if I go on 2 miners, go grab Jock's Grin account and just put this in there a minute. There it is. It's already up. Oh, here we go. Here we go. 1.93 G per second, and it's still going.
Oh, okay, so now it's showing. How come the other one is showing so much more?
No, that might have been the bug that they were fixing. I wonder.
Okay, so yeah, so we're not 100 times
Keep
more.
going. It's still going up.
Still going up, yeah. So yeah, a 5090 was 2 graphs.
Yeah. My guess is, again, a lot of this is going to be just non-optimized code for the cards, realistically.
Yeah, so the big ASIC is 36 graphs at 2800 watts, and the mini ASIC is 1.2 graphs.
So it's doing more than what a mini ASIC is doing.
Yeah.
Which is insane that I can get performance of an ASIC on a GPU.
Yeah, for the most part. Yeah, same hash rate. Obviously, a lot more power, but craziness. Someone said something else. Z something. Where's right
Z
there? Z
Classic.
Classic. What is Z
I have
Classic?
no idea what algorithm that is.
Z Classic. ZCL. Equihash 192.7. Mining Dutch. Yeah, not sure what that is. BTCZ. What the heck is that? BTCZ. That's another Equihash 144.5.
I've already got clients starting to queue up for rentals.
Oh boy. Oh yeah, we're gonna try Monero on the GPU.
Can we?
Yeah, with the CUDA. You should be able to turn on the CUDA.
Okay, let's. Okay, who is the best one to do it with? XMRig? XMRig might not support the card,
turn
right?
on the CUDA. Yeah, if it doesn't work, then we could try SRB, I think. But I think all we got to do is turn on CUDA.
CUDA. Where's CUDA?
If I remember right, I think you have to grab the CUDA plugin to make it work properly.
Oh, maybe. I don't know. I don't remember. Can't remember how I tested it on the 3070. Maybe I used SRB. I don't know.
Oh, here we go.
CUDA enable true, or
Is that it?
try it and see what it does. I guess we could disable CPU so that don't kick in. But oh, there's CUDA stuff
CUDA
kicking in.
says disabled, cannot open shared. Yeah, you need the specific CUDA libxmg. Yeah. So what about SRB miner?
Try SRB.
Oh. What we got? Random X. Obviously, is all CPU only.
Crap.
Yeah, you got to go to their XMRig Git and grab the CUDA dependencies.
XMRig CUDA. Yeah.
Grabbing the cuss.
So
Make most things work properly. The cuss always works. Please says.
So all I should need to do is probably stick these far. Oh, the CUDA plugin for XMRig is only for Windows.
Really?
Yeah.
All right. Well, I guess we can't check it.
I don't remember that.
The only packages they've got. Let me see if it's a different URL for their. For here.
I don't remember how I tested on the 3070. If I used Hive OS or what?
Windows, and Windows. Yep, only available for Windows.
Darn it. I don't know what I used. Let me just, I'm going to, GPU Monero. I'm just going to search up an old video. GPU mining Monero.
Oh, right. There it is. Yeah. It's almost the same as Windows, except we don't provide the binaries. You must build the plugin from the source. libxmrigcuda.so. That's why. Okay.
Yeah.
So you have to have someone else build it for you.
What other ones we got?
Yeah, I did it in Hive OS with XM rig.
Maybe Hive has one that they built and stuck on their repo.
Oh, we could do Kyler Coin on CPU.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
Kyla went. Forgot about that. Someone mentioned it earlier.
SRB miner for Kyler Coin, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
What is their new one?
What's
Mike, isn't it?
that?
Isn't
No,
it Mike?
I think it shows up under Flex, if I remember right.
Or is it Flex? Is it Flex or Mike? Hang on.
It's Flex. Mike
Yeah,
was some Ghost Rider variant.
I don't know, like right here. Yeah, Mike. Yeah, Mike. That was a Ghost Rider thing. But yeah, here you can see with
CN.
the thing out of the way. Yeah, this is in Hive. Does it say anything what we needed to use for US Zephyr when I was on the 3070 here?
Oh, we'll stick it on Cedric's. We'll stick it on Cedric's. Where is his? There it is.
1.9.
Stratum, SSL. Yep, there. Wallet address. Where's our friend over there that I promised? Where is he? There he is.
Bits, please. There it is.
There he is. There we go.
What do we got here? Kyle, I don't know what the. Okay, I got to bring something up here. What's Kyla Coin hash rates? Mining, host, CPUs.
I've probably got about another 5 or 6 minutes before I probably should take these off and start putting them out for clients again.
Okay, yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
All right, Kyla. Pika. I got no Kyla Coin on hash rate, so I'm not sure.
I've got stats. Let me find my spreadsheet.
So let's have a look at Cedric. And if we do that address now.
Network hash is 431 kilohash.
No, I lied. Okay. Let me see if I can find an old version. I purged those stats.
Yeah, I'm trying.
I'll be back in 1 second.
Okay. Flex. Oh, Kyla Coin, Link Coin. I got some here. I don't know how old they are if anything changed, but like I got a 7950X doing 4.69 kilohash with PBO negative 35 curve.
I don't recall them making any big strides in performance, so it's probably still accurate.
And then SRB 4.5 was 4.11 kilohash at only 112 watts. What is that? 31. 31. That's doing 31. This is 4. That's pretty. Yeah, that's right. We're dealing with a dual epic here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Kyla was really, really good at efficiency.
Yeah, where's 7742? Do I have? Where's my epic test? Do I have Kyla in here? Beers, puffer fish. No, I don't. I don't have Kyla Coin in here.
Yeah, I don't have any stats for it. I had at that time I was just doing gross aggregate numbers and not actually breaking things down by device.
Yeah, so 31, that's not too shabby. That's, 4 kilohash on a 7950X. So, it's a few of them.
Yeah.
Let's see here. Do some math. So we're going to go 31.65 divided by 4.1. So about 7.7 7950Xs. Yeti, post your website. Yeti's gone for a second, isn't he? Yeah. Crazy. Crazy. These things are beast mode. Like, that was insane, some of those numbers. But so expensive.
Yeah, no kidding. And
I
it's
don't know.
the sad part though is that this being Dockerized and like it is, we're not actually seeing what the peak results are of these things.
No, yeah, true. So, like, really, these things are actually doing quite a bit better than what we're seeing. HiveOS probably doesn't have support. Just slapping a rig of these in HiveOS. Boom.
Yeah, that'd be really interesting to see that. And that's just
Oh,
that
man.
alone, and yeah, a lot of the dynamics have shifted as far as these crypto coins go. Like the ones that are going to take full advantage of these cards, they're not going to be the ones that we tested. Like there's specific coins that are designed to really just soak up these crazy data center cards.
That's
And those
crazy,
ones,
though. Yeah, that's like,
I see
I
it's
don't know.
settled in at 31.62.
Yeah, it's about 7.7 7950Xs or so. Pretty insane. That's crazy. That's probably all the testing we can really do. You got to get these things rented again. Someone asked me the other day in my Discord, actually, they said, because, everyone's used to the crypto rentals where, nothing stays rented for very long if you can even get a rental. You
Yeah.
have a few of these. How long have they been renting? Like, they're pretty consistent.
So on average, most of my rentals there are for 5 or 6 days at a time. Although I do have a rig, I was going to actually rotate them out, but they've been renting so well at the moment that I haven't been able to rotate them out. My H200s, I wanted to actually upgrade to B200s, but they've been rented for 3 months straight.
Oh, geez. So, yeah, your uptime is high.
Yeah.
Like, they're high demand. Like, there's,
Yeah,
you don't have, it's not like crypto. It's not like
it's got 5 nines at the end. It's not 100%, but it's 99 and 5 nines the uptime.
Yeah,
to
for the
say the
most
least.
part. So they're always being rented. Like, it's not like the crypto platforms. You're like, I'm not rented. Oh, I got a rental job for a couple hours. I'm not rented anymore. And you're rented like all the time, pretty much.
Yeah. Yeah,
Mhm.
these are business to business deals that I do my rentals for. So
Like,
they don't rent them for like a couple of days usually. It's like a week at a time.
yeah, that's what I mean.
So,
Like, that's crazy. Like, this is real. This is real stuff. When you're going to a crypto AI platform or something, it's not like this. This is the real deal. Yeah. So yeah, they are rented, and they're rented.
yeah, we actually did some test runs of some of the LLM stuff on the B200, and yeah, you can put every current LLM model directly in RAM. You don't need to offset any of it to the hardware at all, other than just GPU.
Amazing.
Yeah, which has its benefits when it comes to the latency of it when it starts doing really complex questions and answers.
That's just crazy. Like, we were talking about it yesterday, and the rack and stuff for them, and how they're $4 million.
Yeah,
but the ROI is slightly over a year. Like,
yeah,
that's insane. You
I worked
imagine
out. I looked
making
through my history yesterday, actually, when I got home from my walk, and it took me just over 12 and a half months to pay it off.
and yours are all paid off, right?
Yeah.
See,
And then
like,
I've
that's
obviously
insane.
flipped. So I started originally with a 140 gig cards. I got those up to an eight GPU server, sold it, and then reinvested it in A100 80 gigs, and then it was H200s, and then straight to the B series Blackwell chips.
Wow. Yeah.
So
And they're
it's a
paying
good way
off.
to lose some tax money. To be
That's
fair,
crazy. That's insane. So it's definitely working out in your favor, though. Like it's working.
yeah.
That's
I
awesome.
mean, the money that I make on this is almost equal to what I was earning when I was mining Ethereum.
Almost. You think you'd be making more?
Well, no, because I had a lot of GPUs when I was doing Ethereum.
Okay, gotcha. You weren't some just normal home miner when it came to Ethereum.
No, at one point I had over 100 GPUs just in one shed.
Oh, how many sheds did you have?
3 at the top end.
Wow. So you had like a few hundred GPUs.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Trying to keep all of the heat though on that was a problem. It was a big problem actually.
Crazy. Yeah, that's nice though.
And Hawk knows how fun it was to try and balance the heat of those cards because I shipped them out to his facility for a while. When it let rip and power supply exploded in front of him because I was drawing too much power, he realized they were a bit awkward to keep control of. That was all Vega 56 and 64s.
Oh yeah.
At one point I had them all on Ergo before they nerfed it.
Max voltage right there. I thought GPU rentals were dead. Oh man, that's crazy. That's insane. That's absolutely. I need to figure out how to get my hands on one.
Well, if you like, next time I rotate one of my GPUs out, I'll see if I can't ship one over to you.
Whoa.
I mean, I rotate my cards every sort of 6 months.
That'd probably burn my house down.
Well, you've also got to have special connectors for it all because obviously it's
oh, yeah, great. Here we go.
You need a fabric board to plug them in on.
A what?
Yeah.
Fabricated
board? They don't plug directly into PCI Express in the same way. It's not like a normal card. It's a square block.
Gotcha.
Those have been really fun to start digging into and experiment with. I'm still messing with V100s, but I'm working on it.
if you get really deep into it, take a look at like interconnected applications that can make use of the fabric layer, because then you can treat all of those 8 on the fabric layer as one GPU.
Yeah, you're talking about the NVLink.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
See, I need to talk to Panda. Panda's rich, so so I got to work on a deal with him. It's like, Panda, buy a card for yourself, buy a card for me. Let's run it with Yeti's 1 cent power somehow. If he can cut us a deal there, maybe we'll pay him 1 cent, so 2 cent power, and then you can take an extra 10% on the ROI, and it's yours until it covers its cost. Then I can have it to myself.
I mean, I really wish that they would allow me to run like extensive mining hardware down at the facility, but they don't want to mix and match their business for their rental stuff and for their racks. So otherwise I would be throwing everything I've got there.
Yeah,
that's still has a bad word.
Just load it right up.
Yeah. That's I mean, I do technically have 2 ASICs there now.
I know, and only 1 cent power. Like, that is amazing.
Yeah, I've got 2 L7s there.
2 L7s on 1 cent power. Like, let's take a look at that. I want to look at that right now. What is the profitability?
I mean, that'd be an interesting one, actually. I don't even realize. I have it all flipped into BTC, so I never really look.
Yeah, so I'm going to go to mining now. If I could spell correctly. Mining now. Share this tab. Let's go L7.
Yeah.
Which model?
I think it's a 9050 model.
9.5. That's still $7.31 a day. That thing's making at 1 cent power.
Yeah. It's not a huge amount, but
if I go to 12 cent
it doesn't
power,
really matter, does it?
No, but like, if I go to 12-cent power and look at an L9, like you're making more on an L7 than what I'm making on an L9 at 12-cent power.
Just
You're making
difference in
double.
power costs, right?
Yeah. So 12-cent power L9 is $3 and went to $4.24 right now after power. Your L9 or L7 here. Go back to 0.1 cent power. Let's look at the L7.
Right, I'm going to shut this rig down and release it back to be for client use.
Alrighty. So yeah, your L7's making more than most people's L9.
That doesn't
That's
surprise
crazy.
me.
That's crazy. It's all power costs. It's all about power costs. That's why, like us as home miners, we can't compete with people with 1 to 3 cent power. It's impossible.
Yep.
And you can buy an L7 now for
realistically,
what?
I think that I could mine anything at that and make it profitable, right?
Oh, you could for sure. I'm
Yeah.
going to go into hash rate.no
It
right
wouldn't
now.
matter at all at that point.
I'm going to look at 1 cent power on hash rate.no. There we go. Let's share this tab. GPUs. Yeah, like 5090 is making $1.23 a day after power. 4090 is 84 cents. 3090 Ti, 82 cents. 3090, 77 cents. 5080, 76. Like everything is profitable. And right now it's all on Quai. Look at cheap power. Look at Quai. Just domination across the board. What's the ASIC?
Yeah, I mean, what would Quai turn out to be if we're looking at 1 cent power?
L7, 928. So you're actually making an extra over $2.
I probably
Putting your L7 on Quai.
I probably should stick it to Quai then.
And that's what I'm saying. Like I released that video earlier today on Quai, and if more people actually started mining, put their script miners on Quai, that'd explode the price of Quai because you're mining Dogecoin, which is the second place the mission coin, and you're gonna bring all that money into Quai, and it's gonna continue to pump. So that'll just make everyone's profitability even higher. So that's crazy. So maybe you should.
Yeah,
I should throw mine on Quai also, actually, because it's more
at the
profitable
moment,
than mining
L7s are going for pretty cheap, decent money. So of course, if I've got the price to afford to do it like that, I could run it there. I think I've got room for probably 2 more, and then I'm going to be maxed out on the circuit.
Yeah, 100%. Oh, what do we got here? BZ. Glad you guys pinged me through, so BZ should have support for these in the next release. I'd be curious to know how BZ does if you want to ping me tomorrow. Interesting. So he's going to have support and stuff's getting added in here for BZ. So maybe some other day we could try again.
Yeah, I mean, I'm more than happy to. I've already reached out to Doc a couple of times and said if he ever wants to actually make use of my hardware, he's totally welcome to. Because ultimately, it benefits everyone, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Don't forget the Blackwell chips from a data center perspective were out before the consumer grade cards. So if you get the next generation come out, for example, you could even go as far as using the data center grade cards to help prepare you for the next set of consumer cards coming out.
Yeah.
That's true. Yeah.
Usually data center cards come out about 3 months before the consumer cards.
Yeah, but if they make consumer cards this go around,
well,
with the AI stuff going on,
that's true. I mean, are we going to see a GPU shortage coming up as well as a memory shortage soon?
Well, it's possible. Well, Nvidia, we could. If Nvidia does, like, it sounds like they're going to be cutting back on obviously the consumer GPUs, and like they're going to re-release 3060s. Like, who wants to buy a 3060 in 2026? Like,
I mean, if you wanted to build a budget PC, I would say a 3060 is a really good card these days as a budget computer.
Yeah,
because you can pick them up for fairly good money. And the 12 gig models, the V1s, I would say are still pretty decent for a starting card.
But
I would say now 30 series is like where you got to start a graphics card these days.
Yeah, and like that's what I mean, like 3070s, 3080s, 3090s. So like if they're not making anything new, these 4090s and stuff, the price is going to start coming up on them in the used market.
Yep.
So yeah, there could be getting into that shortage. Like I don't think we'll actually hit a shortage because there's a lot of GPU miners that could obviously offset hardware and sell them, which we might start finally seeing if prices start coming up, because some people are saying they're seeing the prices actually come up. So we might see that offset start to happen and maybe network hash rates finally starting to drop. But at the same time, you know, the same things happen on the CPU side with the RAM. Like Gigabyte and everyone now is updating their AM4 motherboards to have all the latest Wi-Fi 7 and stuff in it because no one can afford an AM5 freaking rig because of the RAM right now. So things are like, we're going back in time when it comes to hardware right now.
Yeah, I wish I'd bought some more DDR5 when I was building out my my hardware.
Yeah, you're not
kidding. What?
Oh, I said you're not kidding. That
or
just higher capacity DIMMs? Man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I went into PC Part Picker.
DIMMs are a joke price-wise at the minute.
Oh, they are. I went into PC Part Picker this morning, actually, before the stream. I was like, well, you know, what's it cost to even build a rig? Like, the cooler's only $40-$50 with those thermal rates and stuff. It was out of stock with the one I had, so it didn't matter. But for a 7950X rig, it was telling me $1,600. I was like, that's Canadian. I was like, what? I'm like, I was building these things for like $900. And I looked, and there it was, RAM, $680 for the same two sticks that I paid $80 for before.
It almost makes sense to go buy pre-builts at the moment, because you can actually get pre-builts for cheaper than building it at the moment.
Oh, not only that, did you hear about that MSI thing 4 days ago or something? They had limited stock, obviously, but they sold a full dedicated gaming PC with a RTX 5090, 1 or 2 terabyte hard drive, I don't know if it's a 7950X or 9, but it's top of the line with a 5090 and 32 or 64 gigabytes of RAM, and they sold it for the same price as a 5090.
Damn.
And it sold out, obviously, instantly.
Yeah,
fast.
I'm not surprised, because you're basically paying for the
that
GPU
is some
and getting
special promotion MSI was having to have a super, to just promote their name and stuff. And they had, I can't remember how many, but like, it was crazy. I saw it on Tom's Hardware, and I was like, wow, I wish I would have knew about that earlier.
Yeah. I think all of us would have loved to have got on that bandwagon before it started.
So,
but then, you know, people like yourself, Rabid, how many pairs of memory do you have if you looked at what you've got now? How many pairs have you actually got?
Sets. I got, like, if I bring in my rigs here, like for AM5, DDR5, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 pairs of that. Plus, I got another pair right here. So 14. You have 14 AM5 pairs.
And people say I've got a lot of money, considering how much memory you got in, like how much money in memory you got sat there right now.
I don't know, $3. And then the one on in my workstation, that says 8,000 megahertz RAM.
Oh God! So yeah, they're really expensive at the moment.
The X870 motherboard for the workstation. So yeah, I don't know. Like, so what would it be? 6 something. So what did I say? It's at a 14 kits times 680.
You're probably a quarter of the way to a GPU right now. 9,500
in RAM.
Yeah, so you're pretty much like almost a quarter of the way to one of those GPUs just in RAM alone.
Damn, I should sell my RAM and put a down payment in with Yeti. There's a down payment, Yeti.
But no, I did consider whether, you know, normally I've got a deal with the company that I have my server at, right? So they will go and resell my old hardware to other clients who are maybe looking for them. So they're offered like internally first before they get sold off. So I'm able to rotate my stock quite easily in there, which is why, like, you know, two months ago, I had nothing but H200s.
It's like everything else. It's who you know. If you know the right people, you could just, it's, you know, you get deals.
Yeah. Well, strangely enough, there's a small bit of update around that as well, considering that the company that I just agreed to take a contract with is the company that basically owns the data center. So I've just agreed to do some contract work for them.
That really puts you up there. the guys that own the data center. Like
Yeah,
that's
Yeah.
somebody you want to know.
yeah, yeah. We've been talking for years. I've been a customer and having rack space with them now for 18 months.
That's crazy. They
I
got buying power.
found those guys when I was trying to find a facility for Dynex to put some equipment in.
Mhm.
And lo and behold, I came across them, started chatting with the owners, and took it from there, kind of thing. So
That's crazy.
yeah,
How does everybody find all these data center people? Like, remember, like the Django, and he was finding all these different warehouses for hosting GPUs and stuff. Like, they're like some secret warehouse rental platform.
no, I mean technically anyone
Trivago for rental warehouses.
Yeah, I mean anyone with a bit of time to research it will know that there's only so many facilities in Iceland, for example. So you'd be able to find which facility I'm in because there's only like 6 in Iceland. So
Yeah, I
it
guess.
wouldn't be that difficult. But yeah, like I've actually been very fortunate because I've got rack space dotted around the world. So I've got 2 racks in the UK. I've got a rack in France. I've got
Holy.
a half rack in Iceland and a quarter rack over in the States.
For people wearing pocket protectors. Bit Please says, my buddy Elon Musk just left the house. He enjoyed watching the stream with me in the theater. Oh man, that's insane. Like this hardware, all of it is just now it's interesting because it gives us a glimpse of how small we are as home miners, right?
Yeah.
Like the bigger picture of like, well, we're gonna compete this. We got 10-cent power. You can get hosting for 8, some places as low as 7.5 cent and whatever, but like you're dealing with people with 3 cent less. You're dealing with people where hardware, just take over a network in almost a single rack, and they got hundreds of racks. Like, wow. It just blows your mind on how
I mean,
small.
I spoke to Django. He had a client that literally didn't just deliver him GPUs to host. He actually shipped racks full of mining rigs to him.
Oh, yeah. That's
But I
crazy.
think there
Yeah,
was like
he had a lot of stuff for
20-something
people there.
racks full of 178
Yeah, that's insane. That is insane. Wow.
You're talking a couple of hundred, probably. Well, 8 times, hang on, 8 times 47. Well, 42U rack. You got the equipment as well. So let's say, for argument's sake, 35U. So times 8, that's 280 GPUs a rack.
Wow. And like, when did they get those? Like, who knows when they got them? Like, for all we know,
I
they
think that
bought
was
them
when it was Ethereum.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, they're $3,000 to $5,000 a piece.
Yeah.
Then.
Yeah, I think that was a $5 million investment by the owner.
Wow. Like, look at the
Yeah.
capital people have for this.
Oh yeah.
It's an eye-watering investment, but people got money to throw around, I guess.
Yeah, a lot of it,
Exactly. Like, it's
tax
insane.
harvesting is a big reason why a lot of these, equipment sets come available, is because people start buying up to lose tax.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I'd rather go and spend it on hardware for myself than give it to the tax man.
That's a good one right here.
I mean, come on. I already paid the tax man nearly 45% of my wages a year, so anything I can do to, keep it down is good.
Yeah.
You're gonna spend it better than they will.
Yusuf, Rabid, I think we found the entity. It's Yeti.
No. Well, I mean, I may have had my GPUs running on a few networks over the time, but not for more than a couple of hours at a time.
So, bing, bing, bing.
Yeah.
Everyone's like, it's China. It's China. No, it's this. Oh,
No,
it's a hidden
no.
miner. No, FPGA ASIC tested. Nope, it's Yeti.
Yep. I mean, I still want to have a go at pulling out and seeing if they'll lend me a cluster for the day. So the cluster, just so that you get an idea, because obviously we were discussing this yesterday about how much I get rental wise, right?
Mm-hmm.
For that, right? Now I don't have a cluster because I don't have, that kind of money to build up clusters, because that is the equivalent of 128 rigs of B200s.
Wow.
Sorry, no, 128 GPUs. Sorry, 16 clusters of GPUs.
That's insane.
So it works out at 3,840 threads, 23 terabytes of RAM, and 23 terabytes of GPU VRAM.
Wow.
And that goes for $510 an hour.
Holy jeez.
Yeah.
510
I don't quite
an
get
hour.
that kind of money. I would love to, but that's a big, sizable investment.
Yeah, well, let's take a look at that. 510 an hour times 24. That's 12,240 a day.
Yeah.
Times up by 30. 367,000 a month, or 4.4 million a year. Pocket change,
Taxman's
right?
going to take half of that just in tax.
Mm-hmm.
But
that's crazy.
I mean, $2 million after tax. I mean, that's still not a bad return.
Not at all.
Realistically, on that kind of investment, you're looking at probably a $5 to $10 million investment. So you're looking at maybe 15 months to pay it off.
Like still though, wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Like 2 years, 3 years from that initial investment, you're loaded.
Yeah. But the thing is, you've got to keep investing to keep up. Because if you want the very top end money, you've got to have the top end cards.
Yeah, you gotta keep going.
For a while, I didn't
for
have
sure.
the top end cards. I had
And then,
one step down.
like you said, you keep investing, you keep doing this, and next thing you know, you're 100 million in. That's small for some people. That's in on this, obviously, but then all of a sudden the bubble pops. Boom. Then what?
Yeah.
Even more tax loss harvesting.
Oh, I mean, my tax accountant, he hates me every year because the first thing he does right around the beginning of December is email me asking, what are you planning on buying this year for tax reasons, right? So I send him a list of all the different ones, and he gives me the recommendations on what I should do. The only bit that he was upset about was how much that it's actually earning me on top. So he was happy that I'd spent that kind of money because obviously great for my tax reasons. But then obviously on the flip side, the capital gains that I'm making on that equipment now is quite extensive. So
crazy-ness all around. How long have you been?
Wow. Idle mining to charity or something like that.
Well, we've been live for 2 hours, 27 minutes.
I know, right?
Insane.
What is the longest live stream you've ever done?
Probably this one. Yesterday was close to this, and then today beat that, I think.
It's always good and fun when you've got technology that 90% of the people haven't had a chance to play with before, right?
Oh, that stuff is so insane. People's jaws dropped when they seen some of them hash rates.
I mean, I've had a number of conversations with Panda about this, right? When obviously during the peak bull run Ethereum time, when he was testing all the different miners every day, he was getting new miners in. You know, it's super exciting to be able to play around with the newest tech, especially for me, anyway.
Yusuf, you can always sell the cards on eBay. Like, I wonder, are any of those on eBay? Let's check out B300
I believe
on eBay.
you can buy an A100 on eBay now. The H200 might be on eBay now. So let me have a look. H200 GPU, yeah, £23,000 right now.
Pounds, so that's like 46,000.
So nearly $30,000.
Wow.
Yeah,
that's insane.
Yeah.
Oh, can't afford that right now.
Well, not unless XMR does, a 50x, and then I would go and highly recommend you go and buy some.
I don't want that to happen either. Because then we'll all be screwed as CPU miners, because everyone's going to pay stupid RAM prices to build 1 million rigs.
Yeah, which is only going to then cause the RAM prices to go up even further.
Yeah, and then it's going to cause no profits across any CPU coins because now everyone will be looking for a new home when everything crashes.
Yep.
So we wanted to go to a decent level where it still doesn't make sense to pay stupid RAM prices, but it's decently profitable. I think that's
Agreed.
probably around 13 to 1400. And if it
Yeah,
goes
I
above
would
that,
actually say that's probably a really, a really good way of putting it is that, we don't want loads of people to go nuts with their buying at the minute. We need everyone to almost slow down a minute so that then the prices can start to actually fall down a bit. Problem is,
Yeah.
there's mostly companies buying it up at the minute.
Yeah.
They're not going to stop because we've asked them to.
Hey, you.
Yeah,
stop.
yeah.
Please stop.
Yeah, they're not
That's
going to.
that's
Oh, boy.
what I was wondering about is just in my little world here with DDR4 ECC, thinking about companies buying those CXL kits, which is just like an add-in card. You can just throw loads of cheap DDR4 in if you need to, hit these higher numbers on DDR5 servers where the cost is just absolutely astronomical.
Yep.
Wondering if that's what's sucking up a lot of the secondhand supply that.
I mean, I've even seen people now starting to adapt SODIMMs in DDR5 to full-size RAM kits
Yeah.
just to try
Yeah, I
and
seen.
save money.
Yeah, I seen someone use some laptop RAM and put it into a
That
full
was
DIMM kit.
Salem Technology who did a
Yes.
video.
Yeah. So then they started using couple sticks of laptop RAM into their normal.
I mean, you're not going to get the same
boards.
speeds. Like, you're not going to get up to like the 8,000 mega transfer range on that. But if you're not bothered by the actual speed of the RAM and you just need density, then you could absolutely go SODIMMs. Just don't turn on XMP because it's going to have a nightmare. It really will, because it won't understand how to turn on XMP for a SODIMM. It'll be waiting for an XMP profile for the actual stick of RAM.
Yeah, absolutely.
So definitely don't turn on that if you want stability on your machine, because
Yeah, the pirate there says Russian water is harvesting.
Oh, that's
chips.
an interesting other option. Yes,
Solder them on
Harvesting
desktop. Well,
SODIMM
same
chips.
thing. Like China's taking the 5090s that they're getting in and putting in like 128 gigabytes of memory and
Yeah,
stuff.
I've seen even 2080 Ti's be doubled up now, so they do the
2080s.
11 gig to 22 gig upgrade now.
Oh,
Right.
I'm
Crazy.
real interested in that.
I mean, a 2080 Ti is still actually comparable hardware right now. With 22 gig of RAM, it's actually very comparable card still.
Crazy.
So,
That's insane.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's that. There's the
that all happened ever since the Nvidia leak happened, where people could get hold of decompiled firmware and be able to reverse engineer how they were doing their firmwares. So they were able to patch in their own firmwares that allows it to understand the higher density memory chips.
Gotcha. Well, no, it's that whole leak thing. I was around LHR stuff, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have
when
an
LHR was a
copy of
thing and
that leak.
people were leaking stuff, and yeah, that was crazy when all that happened.
I've got an entire copy of the Nvidia leak.
Yeah, that was insane.
So
you're going to be persona non grata now for any future generations. Nvidia's going to put you on the blacklist, the Blackwell list.
That's fine, because I don't order directly through to Nvidia, so they don't even know it's me ordering, so it's all good.
There you go. See how Yoda Pie just showed up.
But yeah, I mean, the biggest, like I say, the biggest thing around the really big cards is that, they price them so that everyday people can't buy them, is what I'm thinking, is because they don't want people realizing that if you went and bought a $10,000 GPU, you could actually run that in a server, split that evenly 4 directions, and each virtual machine could have the equivalent of a 64 gig GPU to itself.
Oh boy.
For what would be $2,500. And then that's actually on par with a 5090 kind of money.
Yeah.
And you get better performance out of it. but you do need to understand how to set them up. It's not like a consumer card where you can just, you know, expect to be able to use it straight out of the box.
Yeah, put it in, slap in a driver, and hit go.
Yeah.
You can glitch it a little bit.
Yeah, I know that Red BIOS Editor, the guys over at Red BIOS Editor who used to do the old RX 570, 580 firmware adjustments for Ethereum, they actually the team over there, I believe, came out with a green BIOS Editor, which allows you to do the same thing but on an Nvidia card.
Oh,
yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of research around being able to hack into Nvidia firmware. For years, it wasn't doable because of the fact that it was so locked down. But as soon as that hack happened, like, opened up doors.
It's like they sent the keys away.
Yep.
They got a hold of them, and everyone cut a pair.
Yep. There you go. Yeah. See, I actually had a go at trying to do a bypass for LHR. I actually got it working for all of about 6 hours before it blew my card up.
Oh boy!
Yeah.
Ouch.
If you actually take a look on one of the Northwest Fix GPU YouTube channel, you can actually see my GPU get repaired, and it was a right old state. He didn't quite realize what the job was when he took it on. He sent me a message saying I've had to replace like half the capacitors. Yeah. And then he trolled me throughout the whole video about it. So I didn't mind.
Oh boy.
But yeah, that was an old school single PNY fan 3060 V1 that I was doing it with. And I was using an over voltage technique to try and trick the firmware to basically unlock itself. And I did get it. It was similar to how people use the ergo trick to get it to remove the LHR, and then they would flip it halfway through the boot sequence to get it to go full bore. I used the same mechanism, but hardware wise rather than a software wise.
Interesting. TechBat here says, I just want a legit P104 BIOS that
I think Pirate just
gigabytes.
actually posted the video of my card. Yep. Why having a back cover is really bad. Why having no back cover is really bad. Yep, that's my 3060. That is my 3060, and it was trashed. However, I'll give the credit where credit is due. He actually got it fixed.
Oh wow!
Because we thought I'd shunted like 19 volts to the core at one point, so we couldn't get the core to fire up at all. Turned out it was one little cap that looked fine, but when he did all the testing on it, it was completely destroyed inside. And that was the only thing that was stopping it from actually firing up. So, but yeah, I've still got that in my rig even now. Fun enough, it's sitting a mad electron.
Still going. That thing you should put in a glass safe.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's crazy. But should probably start wrapping this thing up here. We've been here for quite some time. I gotta get the mail and stuff.
2 hours 40 minutes. I mean, proper pushing the limits of your streaming today.
No doubt. My face, it's like raw from this mask.
I'm surprised you haven't turned off the camera just to lift the mask up so that you can get some, proper fresh air to your face.
Yeah, no doubt.
You're going to take that mask off and you're just going to be completely red-faced.
Oh, probably. Probably. Wouldn't doubt it. Oh, boy. Craziness. But yeah, BZ's has that coming for these, so maybe some other day here.
100%.
Check out a little bit more again.
Yeah.
This time with a little bit more tweaking.
Yeah.
Or I guess minor tweaks for it or whatever.
I'll actually have a word with the facility to see if there's a way that I can deploy an OS without it being Dockerized, so we can go bare metal next time, so we can really see what the specs are like.
Like, I wonder if there'd be a way that you could get Hive in there.
Well, if it's bare metal, I could put Hive on it.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll just get them to flip the drive out for me for a couple of hours.
Yeah, and then we might be able to get that
if it's bare metal,
to work on Monero, because that'd be interesting to see what that thing gets on Monero for a GPU.
Oh my god, I think with a bit of tweaking, I think you could see some really big numbers out of that rig.
It'll be interesting for sure. A future stream. Be
That
ready.
would be interesting.
Like I say though, thank you for the invite. I always love having to play around with new technology anyway. So, when you said about doing a B300, I was like, yeah, we got to do it.
Yeah, let's do it. Oh man, those things were so beastly. They were insane.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah. Slightly jealous.
Just a little bit. Wow. Alrighty, guys. So I guess we're gonna wrap up this stream. Let everyone get back to their day. We had a lot of fun today. So we will all see you on the next one. Rabid, Yeti, and Tactical out.
See ya.